Hello everyone. Today I would like to show you all how to update latest iTunes in Windows PC. Let's have a look. Click Start and search for iTunes. Open iTunes app. Click Help and click About iTunes. Here you will see your iTunes current version. Right now I am using iTunes version 12.12.5.8. Method 1. To update your iTunes in Windows PC, first open Start, then search for Microsoft Store. Open Microsoft Store. On the Microsoft Store search box, type iTunes. Click iTunes app. If any new updates available for iTunes, you will see update button. Click update. Downloading new updates. After download, it will start installing. That's it. Download complete and it will reopen iTunes with new version. Click help and click about iTunes. iTunes version 12.12.6.1. That's it. These are the steps to update latest iTunes in Windows PC. Method 2. First, close all open apps, then open internet browser. You can open Chrome or other internet browser. On the address bar, type www.apple.com/iTunes/download. Then hit enter. iTunes. Download the latest version from the Microsoft Store. Click Get it from Microsoft. Click Get in Store app. Then click Open Microsoft Store. If new updates available, you will see Update button. Otherwise, you will find Open button. So from here, you can update your iTunes app. So these are the steps to update latest iTunes in Windows PC. Hope this video helped you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.